So hi, today we are discussing about casting, and after that we'll be even discussing about how the variable, what are the legal variables and what are the illegal variables, and apart from that, we even get to know what are the different rules that has to be followed to declare a variable name. Let's start with the concept called as casting. So casting is nothing but it's like converting one data type into another data type. Casting. So casting can be done as per the requirement. I'll show you a method how can this casting can be done. So if I, for example, there are different data types like integer, float, and string. So let's see how this casting can be done. So let's say a is equal to 10. Uh, so when you print the type of a, and it is an integer data type. When we cast a is equal to str of string of a, and when you use print statement, print a, sorry, print type of a, it is string. So this is how casting can be done. One more example. A is equal to idea. A is equal to 1. Print type of a. A is equal to float of a. So initially it is float. After the initially it is integer. After that it is converted into float. So this is how casting can be done. So we got to know how the casting can be done. So from now we get to know the different variable. What are the different rules that has to be followed for Python to declare a variable. The first one is variable name can have a short name like x and y, or it can have a more descriptive name. It can have a short name like x, y, or it can have a descriptive name like age, name, follow. A variable name must start with a letter or it can start with an underscore character. Example, so a variable name can start with a character or underscore symbol only. Only these are allowed. And a variable cannot start with a number. The variables are basically case sensitive. The variable cannot be of any of the Python keywords. Basically, there are different rules that has to be followed below before declaring a variable name. The first one is variable name can start with letters like x comma y. So x is equal to a, this is accepted. I mean x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1, y is equal to 2, whatever is accepted. For example, age is equal to 10 is also accepted. And a variable cannot a variable can start with a character or symbol, underscore symbol, underscore age is equal to 10. So one more thing is we can use a hash symbol to make a code into a comment. So when we use this hash symbol, the code will not get executed in that part. So in this one, in this cell, first one second x y age shall not be executed because of hash. Basically, its color also will get changes automatically, which shows that it's just a comment. Although you execute it, it will not get executed. So age is equal to 10. This is accepted. If it is not accepted, we get an error. We get an error. So when we print age, when we print underscore age, and it is 10. So basically, underscore is accepted. If we, for example, if you place at the rate there, we get to have as error. So no more symbol, no more special characters it accepts. So input syntax error, invalid syntax. So it's basically underscore that accepts. So variables are case sensitive. For example, underscore age is equal to 10. If I use the same age with caps lock, age is equal to 20, print underscore small age, it obviously prints 10. So before writing any variable name, we have to keep in brain that variables are case sensitive. Once we use caps and smalls, automatically the variables are declared separately, will have its own object values. So that's the reason we got underscore age as 10, which was declared previously, which is not same as underscore age is equal to 20. So for example, if I used caps lock, now it is 20. So different caps, so it's the summary is they're like case sensitive, and Python cannot have, the Python variables cannot have any keywords. For example, there are different keywords which been used in Python. To see it, just click on import keyword, import keyword, import keyword, print keyword dot keyword list. So basically, these are different types of these are different keywords which been used in Python. False, none, true, and asserts, async, await, break, or different keywords. These keywords shall not be used as a name, variable name in Python. And apart from that, apart from these variable names, and multiple assignments can be done in variables. For example, multiple variables can be assigned with its values at a time. For example, x is equal to orange, y is equal to banana. Print x comma y. So orange comma banana. So this is one sort of assignment. Can even x comma y is equal to orange comma banana. Print x print y. So in a single word we can in a single line we can just declare multiple variable names with its values, and corresponding number has to be equal. Let's say there are two variable names, there should be two values in that. So in this way multiple variables, you can even allot a single variable name, a single value to multiple variable names. So x comma y is equal to orange, then we print x and y. Multiple variable names. So single value can be assigned to multiple variables. For example, x is equal to y is equal to orange. Then when we print x comma y, we get to have orange and orange. So this is how we can use proper variable name and a proper assignment before using variables in Python. Thank you.